Yo, what's up in Fable Squad? What's popping, my inmates? Let's get going. Token, Cough, Freestyle. This just recently dropped, man, and people are freaking out, and I'm just letting you guys know, man, that I will be dropping all of your reactions. Give me a chance. Let's go, man. Token, Cough, Freestyle. Let's see what he's got, man. Okay, someone's coughing.
Fucking coughs, maybe we can make some shit.
Hey, brand new crib, I love to wake up top at the same time as my break.
Whoa! Calm down, Token. Calm the fuck down, dude. Wait a second. You were just coughing and then all of a sudden, calm down. Shit, that beat came in fucking hard.
I'm getting over this fucking coughs, maybe we can make some shit.
Hey, brand new crib, I love to wake up top at the same time as my breakup. That girl dread this like Jamaica, window blacker than two.
Oh, that girl straight just like Jamaica. Come on.
a.m. I whip.
Wait, I gotta go back. Sorry, guys. I'm not gonna pause that much. Sorry, I apologize.
Don't blacker than 2, 3 a.m. I whip, wearing that shit like makeup. I touch up my rim like layup. My deal didn't come with no pay cut. Still moving independent, no pendant. My pendant, everything I hold. My only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke.
What? My intention is tension and what? Bro, no. What is going on
Deal
here?
didn't come with no pay cut. Still moving independent, no pendant. My pendant, everything I hold. My only intention is attention or tension.
Pending everything I hold, my intention is attention in everything I. What, bro? You are playing with words over here, Token.
My only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke. That girl keep loving me too much. I only love back whenever they don't. Ride me so quickly, my dick feel like some getaway car she stole. I get a repertoire of flows, and I still set the bar with those. Tell my chick I really don't.
I got a repertoire of flows and what? Wait, just calm down. I heard the riding the dick part. Come on, bro.
Dick feel like some getaway car she stole. I get a repertoire of flows, and I still set the bar with those. Tell
I get a repertoire of flows and I still set the bar with those. What?
my chick I really don't trick, but I got a deck of card hose. My patience thin, I'm Kendall. Temper short, I'm Kevin Hart below. I still live life like I'm broken, bitch. I'm very far from broken. Now I'm in a whole new bracket.
I still live life like I'm broke, but bitch, I'm very far from broke. Come on, dude. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm pausing. Jesus, what is going on here? What is Token doing over here?
Bitch, I'm very far from broken. Now I'm in a whole new bracket. Now I got a whole new tactic. I used to record in the closet, in between all them jackets. Ma told me.
I used to record in the closet in between all those jackets. Come on, man. Come on, man. To all those artists out there, I know you guys can relate to this, man. Let's go.
I used to record in the closet, in between all them jackets. Ma told me that I wouldn't be average. Proved her right, I became established. They want me to be way more active, but my life can't fit in no caption. I'll be in the UK.
My life can't fit in no caption. They want me to be more active. Come on, dude. This is fucking crazy. Is this what Token does when he's bored? Oh my lord. Shit. Oh my god.
They want me to be way more active, but my life can't fit in no caption. I'll be in the UK, grow my traction. Get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, top of Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't.
Oh my god, Queen Elizabeth on top of Franklin. Talking about fucking pounds and dollars. My fucking money is pornographic. Oh my fucking Jesus. God. Calm down, Token. Calm down, dude. What?
My money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, top of Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got girlfriend, no more attachment. Ovary leading to overreaction. Kill the pussy, leave a open casket. Just so the broken have it. I'ma get the homies active, no distraction. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. Ain't a fascist, but my whip is German. Think I drove the fastest.
No, I ain't no fascist, but my whip is German. Oh my lord. This dude is fucking twisting bars and words like a motherfucker at the moment.
Lips like Tony Braxton, ain't a fascist, but my whip is German. Think I drove the fastest, tigers passing. I control her vision, plus I buy her lashes. Lashing out, I buy her back. In this life I imagine this, that shit you barely on. Know this shit a marathon. Money first, I put the bag above us all like it's a carry-on. If she barely even.
Money first, I put my bag above it all, above us all, like it's carry on. Stop it, dude. What?
Shit you barely on. Know this shit a marathon. Money first, I put the bag above us all like it's a carry-on. If she barely even my type, dog, I don't really care at all. I just condition her so well, she'll think this shit a hair salon. Just make she
condition her so well, she'll think this shit's a hair salon. Oh my god.
bag above us all like it's a carry-on. If she barely even my type, dog, I don't really care at all. I just condition her so well, she'll think this shit a hair salon. Just met, she let me hit it off the bat, I think she think I'm bare bombs. I like that shit, but I can't trust you. Watch this trick, I'm there and gone. Disappear, these rappers probably diss me, cause I won't let them share a song. Hey, fuck engaging in the war, little bitch, let's get the marriage on.
He is fucking calling you motherfuckers. He's like, bro, I'm not engaging in wars, bro. Diss me, bro. I'm not fucking engaging in this fucking petty back and forth, man. Let's get the fucking marriage on, bro. You wanna fucking get it? Let's fucking get it, man. What?
Their song, hey, fuck engaging in the war, little bitch, let's get the marriage on. Let's go. I can only do the freestyle shit when the time getting free to turn the baby keep up. I'ma get the pussy when I get the meet up. I'ma get the wifey when I get the prenup. I'ma get the money when I get to re-up. Save it till I buy myself enough freedom. When I get to ease up, I'ma calm down.
I'm saving until I buy myself enough freedom.
I'ma get my seat up and my brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just implored her. My
brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just import it. You just import it into your contacts? Come on, dude.
Save it till I buy myself enough freedom. When I get to ease up, I'ma calm down. Never get my seat up and my brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just implored her. My old girl tried too hard to go viral, I got avoided. I just got me a deal.
Oh my god, my old girl tried to go viral and now I have to avoid her. Because of what's Karen? I've got to change hat. The other one's too sweaty. I've got to change hat. What? Oh my lord.
Don't even got an IG, so I just implored her. My old girl tried too hard to go viral, I got avoided. I just got me a deal, still spinning like I can't afford a lure. But I got 3 in my fucking corner, I could give you up covers, couple corners, I'm gonna fuck!
Oh. This fucking beat. Nope, we're going back a little bit.
So I just implored her. My old girl tried too hard to go viral, I got avoided. I just got me a deal, still spinning like I can't afford a lure. But I got 3 in my fucking corner, I could give you up covers, couple corners, I'm gonna fuck!